Hello and welcome back to Jimbo's PC Builds. Whether it be a Merry Christmas or a Happy Hanukkah, this is a brief message to make sure that whatever you are celebrating this time of year in 2019, that you have a fantastic time. Please stay tuned to the channel because I've got some great content coming out next year. I've got some build videos coming out, I've got some case reviews. Also, if you've got any suggestions for content that you would like to see, please leave comments in the description below or on any of the videos that I've posted. If you've got any suggestions for improvements to the channel or anything else, please feel free to leave comments on any of the videos. I'm still relatively new to YouTube, but I started last year and I'm very pleased with how the channel has gone so far. But please like the videos, please subscribe. With the YouTube model being as it is, subscriptions are so important these days. So again, please subscribe, hit the bell icon for notification of further content. Please like the video and any of my other videos because it always helps me boost up the YouTube search methodology. Again, Happy Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and as always, take care.